Hello everyone. Today our video is addressing men everywhere. Men who pursue love as it's the goal of each and every man to make his dream woman fall in love with him. But how? We'll tell you how, my friend. Making her fall in love with you isn't about following a strict set of rules, but rather about building a genuine connection and showing that you care. First, you need to be yourself, as authenticity is attractive. Second, you must show genuine interest. You can listen to her, ask questions about her life, passions, and dreams. Being genuinely interested demonstrates that you value her as a person. Third, communicate openly, as good communication is vital in building intimacy. Share your thoughts and feelings and encourage her to do the same. Moreover, be supportive as much as possible to her goals and dreams. Being her cheerleader builds trust and affection. Of course, you need to spend quality time together by creating shared experiences and memories. Also, you need to be respectful by treating her with respect and kindness. Show that you value her opinions and boundaries. Furthermore, have a sense of humor. Laughter can help create a bond, so don't be afraid to share jokes and have fun together. You will need also to take care of yourself by focusing on your own interests and well-being, as confidence is attractive. Showing affection by small gestures of love, appreciation, and care can go a long way in expressing your feelings. Finally, be patient, as building love takes time. Don't rush things. Allow the relationship to grow naturally. Remember, every person is different, and there's no guaranteed formula for love. The key is to build a meaningful connection based on respect and understanding. If you did your best and she didn't fall in love with you, then she was never meant to be yours, my friend. You will find love with another woman. If you learned something new through this video and it was beneficial to you, please help us by liking the video and subscribing to our channel to receive new thoughts frequently.